What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, back with another banging video. And in today's video, we will be doing a huge embroidery patch. And this patch will be SLIMER from GHOSTBUSTERS. So these are the tools and equipment that we will be using. So this is the 19 by 6 by 19 by 6 fabric. I do have this in the description below if you want to go check that out. We do have our spray adhesive, tearaway stabilizer, and of course you can't forget your hoop. So that's what we'll be using. So let me go ahead now and get everything set up so we can go ahead and get this video started. Stay tuned, guys. So what I do want to get started with is, of course, cutting out the fabric. Let's just set this over here. And I do want to cut out the fabric. And of course you don't want to waste any as well. Also the stabilizer. So let's get that set up now. Okay, so that's cut. Just gonna start getting this off. Perfect. Let's frame it one more time. And that looks about right. So that looks good. So we are going to do is cut the stabilizer as well, the same length, and then go ahead and add our adhesive and get everything hooped. So stay tuned. Okay, that cut, flip it. I don't want it too long, so let's clip some of that. Looks good right there. So next what we're going to do is spray the adhesive on there so that we can tack it down to the cloth and go ahead and hoop everything from there. So now we're going to do, we have everything together. Want to make sure that this is tight for when you're about to hoop. Okay. Perfect. Everything's good. Everything's hooped inside. Nice and tight. Might tighten this up just a little bit more. Get this tight just a little bit. Maybe with a flathead screwdriver, tighten it up. And yeah, we're about to jump over to the machine. So definitely stay tuned, guys. Also, if you're still watching, go ahead, do me a huge favor and hit those notifications. Subscribe to the channel as well as thumbs up the video. It'd be greatly appreciated. Let's head over to the machine. Okay, so as you saw, we hooped it. Everything looks good. Like I said, it's nice and tight like a drum. So what we are going to do is go ahead and get started. Here you go right here. Show you guys just a preview of how it looks. That's how it's going to turn out as far as inside of the hoop. And there we go. So that's what we'll be embroidering. So without further ado, let's go back and start the process. Definitely stay tuned. All right, so this is majority of the design, which is the green part. So that's what we're going to start on now. The whole design says 90 minutes. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this portion is 50 minutes. So it's going to be a process, but we can do it. Stay tuned, guys, and let's get through it. So let's get it. So everything is coming out great. So far, so good. And I know that someone did ask me, it's been a while, about a video to where I can show how I digitize. I do have that video coming up soon, but I don't want a picture to the point where it takes a long time to digitize. I don't want to drain you out with the video. So I am trying to find a decent picture and something you probably will enjoy. So I do have that coming up soon. So stay tuned for that video. Like I said, the stitches right here is coming out real clean and nice. It looks amazing. All right, now do me a favor, guys, down in the comment section below. Put one of your favorite scenes from whether it's Ghostbusters 1 or Ghostbusters Part 3 or Ghostbusters Part 2. Let me know what is your favorite scene from the movie, who is your favorite character, and I think I'll do a giveaway. If you can name all 4 of the main Ghostbusters characters, I got a surprise for you guys. I'll do a giveaway. If the first person that can name all 4 of the 4 characters that was a part of the Ghostbusters, I got a surprise for you. So go ahead right now, guys, down in the comment section. Put everything down there. Go ahead. Put it down there. Don't wait. Go ahead. Stay tuned to the video. Okay, so everything stopped. Of course, it's probably one or two reasons, the top thread or the bottom, and we're already at 32,000 stitches, so I know it's probably the bobbin empty. So let me go ahead and change that out, guys, and I'll be right back. So stay tuned to the video. Also, go ahead and do me a huge favor and hit those notifications. Subscribe to the channel as well as thumbs up the video. It'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you, guys. Okay, guys, down in the comment section below, let me know how you feel the video is coming out so far. Let me know how you like the patch. I mean, to me, it's amazing. And this is the biggest patch that I ever created. Besides the Mario patch, but that was on the 5x7 hoop. So this is the 8x8 hoop. So, of course, yes, this is the biggest, the one that I've created. And it looks good. It's coming out clean. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comment section below. Go ahead, put your thoughts, your ideas, as well as any other designs that you might want me to stitch out. Go ahead, put that down in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned to the video. So right now we are working on the border, or if you want to call it the outline of the whole design. So this is pretty timely. I mean, not as bad as, of course, everything that goes on the inside. But this is pretty timely, and most likely, to me, the best part when you get out everything as far as all the details and everything just come together as far as, you know, connecting the dots basically. So looks good. We're almost done, guys. So definitely thank you guys for sticking around and watching the video, and stay tuned. All right, so we are finished with everything. So I am going to take this out and show you guys the final result. So stay tuned for that. All right, so everything is finished. Let me know what you guys think about the final result. Give you guys a close-up on it. How you think that border came out? Nice, clean. Looks amazing. Looks amazing, not gonna lie. Very excited about this one. I want to say this might be one of my best embroidery patches I've made. Not gonna lie, very excited about this one. Like I said, it came out very good. The detail came out great. As far as my placements, as far as what should go first, second, and third, that came out good. It looks amazing, guys. So one of my plans for this is to put it on a hoodie, and that'll be for another video. I'll show you guys how to do that as far as turning this picture or embroidery patch into a adhesive patch, and I will adhere it to a hoodie. So that will be another video. Also, the small patches that I have, which is the Ghostbusters 1 and Ghostbusters 2 logo, I will incorporate that for the hoodie as well. So definitely stay tuned for that video when it comes out. So, as always, once again, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. Stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. And I'm out.